Hi everyone, welcome to TRP Conversations. I'm Clint and I'm here with my friend Elizabeth. It's good to be here with you today.
It sure is. Hope you're having a great day.
Well, I'm fantastic and I'm ready to talk parts.
I thought today would be a great day to talk about TRP Bolster and Load Spring Kits.
But before we get too far along today, let's take a moment to explain what a bolster is.
Good idea.
The bolster is an integral part of walking beam suspension. As payload increases, the bolsters compress, engaging the load spring, which improves handling. They adapt to different load conditions to improve stability and driver comfort.
If a suspension bolster is damaged, it becomes a safety issue.
Exactly. And TRP bolster and spring load kits are a great cost-conscious replacement part when needed.
TRP has partnered with an industry-leading supplier to bring these suspension system kits to your parts department. Specifically engineered as a service kit for Hendrickson HAULMAXX 400 and 460 series suspensions, these bolsters are manufactured using an advanced polymer for exceptional service life. We have 3 different kits that are packaged with high-quality graded fasteners, so you have everything you need to perform the service.
Plus, the components used in these kits are fatigue tested to ensure they perform as needed and even in the toughest applications. These kits help ensure no contact between the beam and the suspension and the main bellows.
I like to also remind people that since everything is included in the kit, you only need one part number. That helps eliminate the possibility of ordering incorrect parts or quantities. And we wouldn't be doing our job if we didn't mention that these kits have a nationwide 1-year warranty, which is backed by over 800 locations throughout the US and Canada, so you can recommend them to your customers with confidence.
That's a great point, and you're always thinking about ways to improve customer service. Well, that's all the time we have today, and as my grandpa used to say, enough for now. Thanks for joining, and we'll see you next time for more TRP Conversations.